Did you know that over 4.5 billion people are online right now? That's an enormous audience waiting to discover your business. Making money online in 2025 is no longer a dream, it's a reality. And you don't need to be a tech wizard or have a huge budget to start. With the right tools and strategies, you can build a thriving online business, even as a complete beginner. When considering online business ideas, one stands out as the best opportunity in 2025. Launching a Shopify dropshipping store. Why a Shopify dropshipping store? It's a proven business model with low upfront costs and minimal risks. You don't need to hold inventory or worry about shipping logistics. With platforms like Shopify, you can set up your store in hours and start selling products to a global audience immediately. Why Shopify dropshipping is the best idea. 1. Low startup costs. Traditional businesses require large investments in inventory, warehouses, and shipping. With dropshipping, you only pay for the products you sell. No inventory means no wasted money on unsold items. 2. Easy setup with Shopify. Shopify's user-friendly platform allows you to create a professional online store without needing coding or design skills. With customizable templates, built-in payment gateways, and seamless integrations with dropshipping apps like Oberlo or Trendsy, you can launch your store quickly and efficiently. Access to a global market. With billions of people shopping online, you can sell to customers worldwide. Shopify provides tools to manage multiple currencies, languages, and shipping options, so your business can reach customers wherever they are. Endless product opportunities. From trendy gadgets to niche apparel, you can test and sell products across various categories. Tools like Google Trends and Pinterest can help you identify what's popular, so you can stay ahead of the curve. Scalable and flexible. Dropshipping offers incredible scalability. As your business grows, you can expand your product range, adjust your marketing strategies, and increase your profit margins without worrying about warehousing or fulfillment bottlenecks. Overcoming challenges. It's natural to feel overwhelmed or fear failure when starting a business, but Shopify dropshipping minimizes risks. There's no need for a big upfront investment or the pressure of managing inventory. Plus, with a step-by-step process and the right support, anyone can succeed. Get started today. Imagine owning a business that works for you 24/7, generating income even while you sleep. Shopify dropshipping makes it possible. You can start small, focus on a specific niche, and grow your business at your own pace. 2025 is the year to take control of your financial future. With billions of potential customers online, the time to start your Shopify dropshipping store is now. What products or niches are you excited to explore? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video for more actionable tips on launching a successful Shopify store.